Hi, this is Judy at Impeccabilities, powered by Kaizink, and today I'm working on designing the back of a garment. Down the center of the back we're going to embroider. So I don't have a hoop that's long and skinny, but I do have a 13 by 16. So the way that this hoop attaches is it has brackets that go around the edge of the base, and it slides along, and about the highest I can go is probably about there. And then the bottom has screws that go into these little holes, and you can attach it that way. So that'll hold my hoop. The problem is, this isn't high enough for my design because my design goes way up underneath the collar and there's no way to attach the hoop like that. And second of all, my design is too big to go that direction in this particular hoop. It's just a little bit too big. So what are we gonna do? What I'd like to do is attach the hoop this way on the sides. Oops, this way. So I was gonna clamp it to the side, but then I found out that the hoop is actually wider than this. When I put the hoop in, it actually sticks out to about here. So I don't have very much to attach to. So I thought, well, maybe two-faced tape will work. And then I decided, well, maybe Velcro would work. So it's not actually Velcro, but it's these command strips. And they're plastic on both sides, but they stick really well to each other and they're pretty strong. So that's what I did, was I started out only on one side. I just did the corner, one corner, and I stuck it on here, and it held pretty well. So I was like, okay, this is gonna work. So I did the other four corners. And that's gonna work. It's high enough for my design where I put it. I'm gonna put it a little bit higher. But it's high enough for my design, and I'm hooping in the right direction so I have enough room to sew. And it worked perfectly. After about a dozen, this one started getting a little bit loose, so I just put a 2-inch piece of tape under here for a little bit of extra support, and that did the trick, and it got me through the job. So use your resources wisely. Thanks for watching.